This ergonomic rolling laptop table provides instant data access and a compartment for documents, tools, or peripherals. It is equipped with a side wire basket to give instant access to necessary tools. It comes with a reinforced base and 5 forecasters with a lockable front set for effortless mobility and reliability. AFC manufactures top-quality furniture equipment that exceeds the standard expectations of practicality, functionality, and ergonomics. Our products are guaranteed with a full product warranty. We build products that give our customers peace of mind, ensuring they get the highest return on their investment. For more details, click the link in the video description.